All right, we're in this parking garage in Berwyn. I don't know what it's called. And look who's here.
Excuse me, sir. Have you parked in this garage?
In spirit.
Okay, you can ride the elevator. I'll allow it.
I'm parking my body in the elevator right now. So it just does that. All right. Here's
Well, it's like moving.
thing. That's stupid. We're
Look
going
at
to
it
cover
moving.
that up.
Look how much it moves.
Oh my God. So this is the... I'm covering up somebody's political garbage because I don't need that in my video.
Oh, I didn't even notice what that was.
What's with like the overly political people and needing to leave stickers everywhere?
Well, there are two more.
Great use of them. Just put them all on one elevator panel.
I also like how someone dropped the phone, like it's upside down.
Yeah, I noticed that. It is upside down. It's not just me. It's the ELP phone.
Yeah.
If it's upside down, you're only calling for ELP.
Yeah.
And of course, it's a ThyssenKrupp. And it looks like somebody projectile shat on the indicator. Probably the same guy who put the stickers up. And here's the ThyssenKrupp chime 7,000 times. Okay, that's it.